Hey guys, today we're at Oil and Lube Express right here in Palm Bay, Florida. You know, right next to the Cumberland. They do oil changes. Yeah, they're really nice people here. They do a lot of stuff here, guys, really. Not just oil changes. And they even have a building next door I can show you. But yeah, if you're moving to the area and you know, you want to get your oil change and you're living in, you know, Brevard County or the Palm Bay area, you know, this is a very popular place, guys. You know, they see how they have everything nice, you know, used oil, it says, all that. And drums, very nice. And it's really called Marc's Auto and Tire Center. This is the next door building. But let's finish this one. See? 3 little bays. And look, I'll show you what the building says. So if you drive by it, you know what it's saying, you know? And it's always next to a Cumberland. Don't forget, you know? If you go next door, you'll see that, you know, they do like tire work. So go in next door. They just built this, guys. So if you're new to the area, you know, this is kind of a must-see. Yeah, right next to the Domino's. They're very nice people here, guys. Yeah, we've been here a couple times. They're very nice, you know, very caring people. You know, for real. That's the address. I'll put the road for you. And yeah, guys, I'm just showing you. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video, for real. Hey guys, if you like the video you just seen, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. We really do appreciate it. Thank you for taking time out of your day. Have a great day.